In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Xero Tax, create a return, import financial data, and submit it to the ATO. We'll walk through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can follow along confidently. This is a straightforward workflow inside Xero, and once you understand the sequence, it becomes much easier to complete returns accurately and efficiently. To begin, open Xero Tax by logging into Xero Practice Manager or directly into Xero Tax, depending on how your organization accesses the platform. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and working in the right environment before you continue. Starting in the right place helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage more than one client or entity. Once you're inside, the next step is to create the return. Find the client or entity you want to work on, then select it and click New Tax Return. This opens a fresh return for that specific client, giving you the workspace where all tax details will be prepared and reviewed. At this point, it's a good idea to pause briefly and confirm that you've selected the correct entity, since everything that follows will be tied to that record. After the return has been created, you can import the financial information. Xero helps streamline this by auto-populating fields using trial balance data from Xero Accounting. This saves time and reduces the need for manual entry, which can also help minimize errors. As the data pulls through, let the system complete the import, then review what has been filled in so you understand how the return has been populated. Even though the process is automated, it's still important to verify that the imported figures align with the client's financial records. The final stage is to review and submit the return. Go through the tax calculations carefully and validate the information shown in the return. This review step is important because it gives you a chance to catch inconsistencies, check that the imported values make sense, and confirm that the return is complete. Once everything looks correct, sign off on the return according to your internal process. When you're ready, click Lodge to ATO to submit it. Before you do, take one last moment to make sure all details have been checked because lodging is the final submission step. Once lodged, the return is sent through to the ATO from within Xero. That's the full process. Open Xero Tax, create the return, import the financial data, review everything carefully, and then lodge it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.